Chapter 9. Animal Behavior. Blinking, eating, walking, flying, vocalizing, huddling and swimming are all examples of behaviors. Behavior is broadly defined as the way of animal acts. The scientific study of animal behavior is known as ethology, dealing with the interaction of animals with each other, with other living beings, and with the environment. Why do some animals live in groups? Even though many animals may genuinely enjoy one another's company, there are only a few natural behaviors that can improve an animal's chances of surviving. The following factors may apply to some or all of the animals that stay in groups. There's safety in numbers. Hunting together yields better results. Raise young together. Help take care of each other in some way. Different animal groups are called by different names. Insects such as bees, ants and termites live in groups called colonies. Honey bees colony. Lions live together in groups called prides. Elephants stay and move in groups called herds. Wolves, foxes and jackals hunt in groups called packs. Fish of one kind stay in groups called shoals. A jellyfish bloom. Dolphins live in large groups called schools. Animals that live in groups generally have a leader. The function of the leader is to watch out for the safety and defense of the group. Female elephants, called matriarch, live with their young ones in groups. The oldest female is the leader of the herd. When she senses danger, she lifts her trunk and trumpets loudly as a warning signal to alert other members of the herd. Honeybees also live in large groups in a hive. They divide the work among themselves. For example, the worker bees collect nectar from the flowers and take care of the queen and the eggs. Drones protect the hive from enemies. The queen bee lays the eggs. The honeybees are, therefore, called the social insects. Cooperation. Some animals are very cooperative in their behavior. Egrets sit on the back of big animals, such as cows, buffaloes and elephants. They do so to eat the insects that are on the bodies of the large animals. If egrets sense danger, they fly away, thus warning these animals. Egret on a cow. Oxpeckers are small birds that ride on large animals, such as rhinos, oxen and giraffes, and peck the insects off their bodies. Remoras are small fish that ride on top of turtles and large marine animals for their protection and access to food. They eat the leftover bits of the prey of their host. They also act as cleaner fish. The Egyptian plover is a tiny bird that cleans the teeth of crocodiles by sitting fearlessly inside their mouths. The crocodiles never shut their mouths or try to eat it. Egyptian plover inside a crocodile's mouth. Venomous animals. Some animals release poison or foul-smelling liquid to keep their attackers away. For example, skunk, the smelliest animal, gives off foul smell whenever it senses any danger. Similarly, a spitting cobra squirts venom directly into its attacker's eyes to make it blind. Horned lizards squirt a jet of blood from their eyes as far as 1 meter to put off the attackers. Skunk. Scaring animals. Some animals scare their enemies away by making themselves look fierce or big. For example, when a frilled lizard sees a danger, it spreads its folded skin or frill to look more dangerous and bigger. Similarly, peacocks, butterflies have large eye spots on their wings and making them appear much larger. Peacock. Butterfly. Cunning camouflage animals. The characteristic of an animal to blend itself with its surroundings, making it difficult to be seen, is called camouflage. Polar bears and Arctic hares have white fur, making them hard to spot in the snow. Similarly, animals such as chameleons, octopuses and squids can change their color according to their surroundings. Camouflaging helps these animals in hunting as well as staying away from predators. Chameleon. Surprising behaviors in animals. Animals such as rabbits, squirrels and snakes are shy in nature. They move away or hide themselves quickly when they see any creature. Tortoises and hedgehogs are also very shy. Tortoise withdraws its neck back into its shell and hedgehog curls up into a ball whenever it senses any danger. Squirrel. Some animals such as bats and owls are seen only at night. Such animals are called nocturnal animals. During the daytime, they rest in their nest. Owls build their nests in the hollows of trees. They also use old buildings for making their nest. Bats have skin-like attachments stretched between their toes which help them hang upside down in tunnels, old buildings and tree branches. Bat. Some animals mark their territories with their urine or scent. For example, tigers mark their territories by scratching trees and urinating on them. Deer mark the bushes and grass around the edge of their territories with a particular scent. Tiger.